Sleep. Sometimes blur it in your Jeep so your peeps can stare at the rhymes. Real rhymes, not your everyday hologram. Even when
So what keyboard we rocking with?
Next thing, guys, Apex 3 Mad TKL. So TKL is obviously the size of the keyboard itself. Me, I prefer the full size 10. Obviously, the thick keyboards then with the number pad and all that. But these are pretty nice. They look nice on your desk, innit? So let's get it open. See what going on.
Yo, hang on. This is a special moment because Situ-Live told us this one hasn't actually been unboxed yet, innit? So we got to do this one justice. Yeah, the plastic is still on the keyboard.
You see it there?
You see it? Listen.
Plastic is still there.
The plastic is still there, so we got to do this one justice, innit?
Yeah.
But it's a wired keyboard, so we've got to take time with it.
Most keyboards, we do the wired thing with the gaming thing, you know?
Alarm thing. For the first instance, like, this is looking alright, man. Like, we got the nice retractable things at the bottom with the rubber piece there as well, so you can prop this up if you want to, get your angles going.
Oh, cable. Cable management.
Cable management on both sides, so you can put this either to the left or to the right, however you want to do it. We've got the rocker over here, which I'm going to assume, and it's a clickable rocker, so you can probably volume and mute as well. I don't know whether or not you're able to program it, so you can program it to like a timeline or something, perhaps, or depending on the software that you're using it for. Yeah, then you've got another button here, which might be another programmable thing as well. You've got your little side keys here. Yeah, this feels nice, man. This is decent. I like the design on it where it's like black and white initially, so this is a quite nice design that will go with my setup as well. You've got the little rubber feet on the bottom there as well, which is nice.
Young USB-A.
There we go.
The RGB from.
That's
what we're here for.
Plug this in and see what it's saying. So we'll take it over to the gaming section and we'll get cracking real quick, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Nice. It's looking all right.
Yeah.
It's looking all right. So, all right.